We want Peter Obi to be the president of Nigeria come 2023.
Yes.
And I want to make it very clear that the people who are suffering in this country today are the youths, the young school children. They have no place to go to. They move around as if they belong to a special class. These children should come out, go to your homes, go to your villages. There you belong to. Go and educate your people. Go and tell them what to do before coming to the township. People now want to kick you away, don't want you to go anywhere. They want to use you. Don't allow anybody to bribe you. You want a transparent president. A president who is strong. A president who is educated. A president who is humble. A president who has every leadership quality that we want. We don't want a president we have to beg to sit down to find out whether he will fall, or whether he can stand or he can fall. He will fall. We want a president who should not be acting his age. A president should be selling his age from time to time. We don't want a president who will be swearing year to year how old he is, how young he is. Please, I do not want this press conference to take a lot from me. But you, the pressmen, you have a way of doing these things. You may be meeting other people, what they say about MTOB, Peter Obi. That's what I want you to ask me. Do you have any doubt about him? Please, carry on.
Okay, yes.
Are you God? Leave that to God, my son. Nothing is impossible with God. You'll be surprised tomorrow that Obi is now the president of Nigeria.